Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add Elementor to your WordPress website, how you can install Elementor to your WordPress website. So let's start. If you didn't buy Elementor yet, just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. So now when we go, let's just go to my account, and when you bought already Elementor, you want to do a few things. You will be here your account and just click download the plugin. When you're gonna download the plugin, then just go to your plugins in your WordPress website. It's pretty easy, I think. And then just click add a new plugin, upload the plugin, choose a file, upload that Elementor Pro that you just downloaded, install now. Okay, activate the plugin, but this is not all. What you need to do, you need to install Elementor. We just install the Pro version, but you need to have the basic one. So again, let's add a new plugin. In search, write Elementor. Yes, install the Elementor page builder. Okay, activate. Now when we got it, you're gonna see like Elementor Pro, connect and activate. You can just click it here or go to settings and click it here, connect and activate. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Anyone can do that, right? And now connect to your license. Yes. Because I'm logged in Elementor, so it just figured out. And you can see like status active. You're connected as my email. And now when I'm going to pages, and I'm going to see like all the, when you're going to see on your page the content, the Elementor, it's edited by Elementor, right? And when I'm going to click like edit with Elementor right here, the one here, I have everything here. WordPress, literally everything. And I can use whatever I want. So this is pretty much it. And this is how we do it. It's quite simple, quite easy, and I think anyone can do it. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But where is it? Where is the WooCommerce one? I need to download the WooCommerce. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can add Elementor to your WordPress website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. It's pretty easy. Also, if you have any problems, you can also copy the license key that you have here and just paste it. But when you just connect to the account, I will just refresh the website. I can see here the active install, so this is pretty much it. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.